Hi everyone, here's a quick look at the new video upload tool on rugby coaching drills. First, log into your RCD account. On the dashboard you'll see a new tab called My Videos. Read the instructions, then fill in the details of your video clip. Then browse for the file and click Upload Video. The clip now sits in the My Video tab. Like all other videos on RCD, you can share it with your club, share it with a friend, or add it into a coaching plan. Click on the plus icon and select your plan or create a new one. If you go to Coaching Plans, you will find the video there. Now I want to add some more videos to this plan, so I go to the video library to find the ones I want. I've uploaded match footage that shows our players drifting an attack, so I'm going to add some good examples of handling exercises that involve straight running and fixing defenders. I add them to the plan using the same method as before. When I return to Coaching Plans, I can now see that these clips all sit together, ready to share with the players and other coaches.